Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unplugged. I'm Emily, and I'm so thrilled to be with you today.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about how to overcome shyness in English.
Yes, speaking English can feel scary, but we'll show you how to feel confident and have fun.
It's super helpful and easy to learn. Are you ready, everyone?
Let's dive in. Why is overcoming shyness in English important? It helps you speak more, share your ideas, and connect with people.
Right. When you're not shy, you can talk in class, with friends, or at work. You feel proud and confident.
Today, we'll share simple tips to help you stop feeling shy and start speaking English. It's easier than you think. Let's begin.
Okay, Emily, how do we start overcoming shyness in English?
Great question, Mark. First, start small. Say one sentence in English, like, "Hello, how are you?" It's easy and builds confidence.
That's simple. I say, "Hi, I'm Mark," to practice. It feels good to start with one sentence.
Yes, let's try it, everyone. Pause the video and say one simple sentence in English. For example, "I like English." Say it aloud now.
Nice. Another tip is to practice alone first. I talk to myself in English, like, "I'm making coffee." No one hears, so it's not scary.
I love that. I say, "I'm reading a book" when I'm alone. It helps me feel ready to talk to others.
Right. You can practice in your room or in the mirror. It's like a secret English practice.
Exactly. Everyone, pause and say one thing you're doing in English. For example, "I'm sitting on a chair." Try it now.
Awesome. Another tip is to talk to a friend who knows English. I say, "Let's speak English today" to my friend. It's fun and safe.
Good one. I tell my friend, "Let's practice English for 5 minutes." It feels less scary with someone you know.
A student might say, "Can we talk in English in class?" It's a small step.
Or at work, you can say, "I want to practice English with you." Everyone, pause and say to a friend in English, "Let's speak English." Say it aloud now.
Great. Another tip is to use simple phrases. I say, "I don't know, but I'll try" if I'm nervous. It's okay to keep it easy.
Yes. I say, "Can you repeat, please?" when I don't understand. Simple phrases make talking easier.
A cashier might say, "Thank you, have a nice day," to practice at work.
Or a student might say, "I have a question in class." Everyone, pause and say one simple phrase in English. For example, "I like your shirt." Try it now.
Nice. Another tip is to smile when you speak. I smile and say, "Hi, how are you?" It makes me feel confident.
I love that. Smiling helps you relax. I say "good morning" with a smile in class.
A waiter might smile and say, "Welcome to my cafe." It makes people happy.
Or a nurse might smile and say, "How do you feel today?" Everyone, pause, smile, and say "hello" in English. Try it now.
Perfect. Another tip is to practice with English videos or songs. I watch a video and repeat, "What's your name?" It's fun.
Great idea. I sing English songs like "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star" in my head. It helps me practice words.
A shop assistant might watch a video and say, "Can I help you?" to practice.
Or an engineer might repeat, "This is my project" from a video. Everyone, pause and repeat one English phrase from a song or video. For example, "Happy birthday." Try it now.
Awesome. Another tip is to join an English group. I joined a club and said, "Hi, I'm Mark," to everyone. It was scary but fun.
Nice. I joined an English class and said, "I want to learn." It helped me make friends.
A driver might join a group and say, "I drive a bus," to practice.
Or an office worker might say, "I work with computers" in a group. Everyone, pause and say one thing about yourself in English. For example, "I'm a student." Say it now.
Great. Another tip is to focus on one word at a time. I learned hello and used it every day. It made me less shy.
Yes, I learned please and said, please, can you help? It's a small step that feels big.
A nurse might learn health and say, I check health.
Or a cashier might learn money and say, here's your money. Everyone, pause and say one English word you know. For example, hello. Try it now.
Nice. Another tip is to think in English. I think I'm happy instead of my language. It helps me speak faster.
I love that. I think I'm going to class in English. It makes talking easier.
A waiter might think, I serve food in English.
Or an engineer might think, I design machines. Everyone, pause and think one sentence in English. For example, I'm studying. Try it now.
Perfect. Another tip is to ask for help. I say, can you help me with English? It's okay to ask.
Yes. I say, please correct me to my teacher. It helps me learn faster.
A shop assistant might say, can you teach me English words to a coworker?
Or a driver might say, can we practice English? To a friend. Everyone, pause and say, can you help me with English? Say it aloud now.
Awesome! Another tip is to make mistakes and laugh. I said I eat book once and we laughed. It's okay to mess up.
I love that. I said, I go to the moon by mistake. Laughing makes it fun.
A student might say, I read fast instead of I read a book. It's okay.
Or a nurse might say, I help patient, and laugh. Everyone, pause and say one sentence in English, even if it's wrong. For example, I like English. Try it now.
Great! Another tip is to practice in real situations. I say, can I have water at a cafe? It's scary but exciting.
Yes, I say, where's the bus stop when I travel? It helps me feel brave.
A cashier might say, here's your change, to a customer.
Or an office worker might say, can you send the file at work? Everyone, pause and say one sentence you'd use in a real place. For example, can I have coffee? Try it now.
Nice! Another tip is to set a small goal. I say, I'll speak English for 1 minute today. It's easy.
Good one. I say, I'll say 3 sentences in English today. Small goals make you less shy.
A waiter might say, I'll say welcome in English today.
Or an engineer might say, I'll explain my work in English. Everyone, pause and say one small English goal. For example, I'll say hello today.
Perfect. Another tip is to celebrate small wins. When I said nice to meet you, I felt so happy.
Yes, when I said I understand in class, I was proud. Celebrate every word.
A nurse might say, I said good morning in English and feel great.
Or a driver might say, I said thank you in English. Everyone, pause and say one thing you're proud of in English. For example, I said hello. Try it now.
Awesome! Another tip is to use English apps. I use an app to learn words like friend and say them aloud.
I use an app to practice saying, how are you? It's fun and helps me speak.
A shop assistant might learn sale and say, we have a sale today.
Or a student might learn question and say, I have a question. Everyone, pause and say one word you learned from an app or book. For example, friend.
Great! Another tip is to talk about things you love. I say I love food in English. It's easy because I'm excited.
Nice. I say I love books because it's true. Talking about favorites makes you less shy. A cashier might say, I love music to a customer.
Or an engineer might say, I love building things. Everyone, pause and say one thing you love in English. For example, I love movies. Try it now.
Perfect. One last tip. Practice every day. I say good morning every morning in English.
Yes, I say I'm happy today every day. It builds confidence.
A waiter might say, enjoy your meal every day.
Or a nurse might say, feel better to patients. Everyone try saying one daily phrase in English. For example, good morning. Go ahead.
Awesome. These tips help you feel less shy and speak English with confidence. Keep practicing, everyone. Now let's learn some new words to help you overcome shyness. We'll share 8 words today. Ready, Mark?
Ready. The first word is shy. It means feeling nervous to talk. For example, I feel shy in English.
Nice. The second word is confidence. It means feeling sure about yourself. Like, I speak with confidence.
Good one. The third word is practice. It means doing something again to get better. For example, I practice English daily.
Perfect. The fourth word is mistake. It means something you do wrong. Like, I made a mistake, but it's okay.
Great. The fifth word is smile. It means to show happiness with your face. For example, I smile when I speak.
Nice. The sixth word is goal. It means something you want to do. Like, my goal is to speak English.
The seventh word is brave. It means not being afraid. For example, I feel brave when I talk.
And the last word is relax. It means to feel calm. Like, I relax before I speak English.
Awesome. Let's repeat them, everyone. Pause and say shy, confidence, practice, mistake, smile, goal, brave, relax. Say them aloud.
Now let's share how we overcame shyness in English. Mark, tell us your story.
Sure. I was shy at first. I practiced saying, Hi, I'm Mark, in my room. Now I talk to customers in English at the restaurant.
That's amazing. I was shy in class. I started saying, I have a question, and smiled. Now I speak more, and my goal is to talk in English every day.
Cool. I used an app to learn thank you and said it to a friend. It felt great.
Nice. I sang English songs like Happy Birthday to feel less shy. It was fun.
I set a goal to say one sentence a day. Now I'm not scared to talk.
Great. Everyone, pause and say one way you practice English. For example, I say hello to my friend. Try it now.
Overcoming shyness in English is special. It helps you share your voice and ideas.
Yes, when you speak English, you show the world who you are. Every word is a step forward.
Be brave, make mistakes, and keep practicing. You'll feel proud and confident.
Well said, Mark. Every small step makes you stronger in English. Now let's learn how to ask others about speaking English. Mark, what's a good question?
You can say, Do you speak English? It's simple and friendly.
Or, how do you practice English? It starts a great conversation.
Another one is, Are you shy when you speak English? It shows you care.
Let's practice. Everyone, pause and say, do you speak English? Say it aloud 3 times.
And try this one. How do you practice English? Say it aloud now.
Great job. Ask these questions to friends or teachers. It's a fun way to practice. Now let's learn how to ask others about speaking English. Mark, what's a good question?
You can say, "Do you speak English?" It's simple and friendly.
Or, how do you practice English? It starts a great conversation.
Another one is, "Are you shy when you speak English?" It shows you care.
Let's practice. Everyone, pause and say, "Do you speak English?" Say it aloud 3 times.
And try this one. How do you practice English? Say it aloud now.
Great job! Ask these questions to friends or teachers. It's a fun way to practice.